Stop right there. Before you spend even a single hard-earned dollar on your next Amazon makeup haul, you need to freeze and watch this video till the very last second. If you buy beauty products from Amazon, what I am about to reveal today could save your wallet and, more importantly, protect your delicate skin from being completely ruined. Have you ever scrolled through Amazon, looking for a good makeup product, and stumbled upon something that looked too good to be true? Have you ever wondered how a simple, tiny, $5 makeup stick on Amazon can somehow accumulate over 96,000 global reviews? 96,000. That is a massive, unbelievable number that even luxury billion-dollar brands like Chanel, Dior, Estée Lauder, or Sephora struggle to achieve in years. Yes, today we are dragging the internet's most viral product into the absolute spotlight, the ELF Monochromatic Multi-Stick. Right now, as we speak, the entire global beauty community on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube is going absolutely crazy over it. Half of the internet claims it is pure magic in a tube, a holy grail that every single woman on this planet must own. But the other half? They are calling it a total waste of money, a cheap drugstore gimmick that does nothing but clog your pores, break out your skin, and ruin your natural texture. Today, I am completely stripping away the marketing lies. I am going to reveal the harsh, unfiltered truth behind this product, the exact truth that big luxury beauty brands are desperately trying to hide from you because they don't want you to know how the multi-million-dollar makeup industry actually works. They want you to keep buying their expensive products, but this $5 stick is threatening their entire empire. Do not skip a single second, do not click away, because the final revelation at the end of this video is going to leave you absolutely shocked and completely re-evaluating your entire makeup routine. Let's break down the massive, revolutionary claims that ELF Cosmetics makes about this viral stick. They call it a monochromatic multi-stick, which means it is specifically formulated to do the job of 3 separate high-end luxury makeup products simultaneously. According to the brand, this single $5 stick works perfectly as a highly pigmented eyeshadow, a rich creamy cheek blush, and a moisturizing everyday lipstick. Just think about that for a moment. This means you do not need to spend $50, $60, or even $100 buying 3 different luxury items from high-end brands. You don't need a separate eyeshadow palette that takes up space, you don't need a separate powder blush that cracks, and you don't need a separate luxury lipstick. It promises to give you a full, professional monochromatic look using just one single product. This is a dream come true for anyone trying to save money or simplify their daily routine. Now, let's talk about the texture and formula, because this is where things get interesting. When you first apply it to your skin, it feels luxuriously creamy, rich, and deeply hydrating. But here is where the chemical science happens. As you blend it with your fingers or a beauty sponge, that rich cream instantly transforms into a beautiful, weightless, powder matte finish. It does not feel sticky, it does not feel greasy, and it gives your face a natural, lit-from-within glow that looks like real skin, not heavy makeup. Best of all, for everyone who cares about clean beauty, ELF formulations are always 100% vegan and completely cruelty-free. This means there are 0 harsh parabens, 0 sulfates, and 0 hidden toxins that will slowly damage your skin barrier over time. It comes in an extremely compact, travel-friendly tube that easily fits into the palm of your hand, your jeans pocket, or the smallest corner of your makeup vanity bag. The specific shade that is completely breaking the internet right now is called Dazzling Peony. This shade has become a global obsession because it claims to look stunning on every single skin tone, from very fair to deep rich complexions. But now, we must address the elephant in the room. Let's talk about the dangerous side of this viral internet fame. Because of the massive, unstoppable global demand for this original international makeup stick, a very dark market has emerged online. Cheap, dangerous, fake duplicate counterfeit versions of this ELF multi-stick are being manufactured and distributed rapidly across various random websites, shady online stores, and unverified marketplaces. These fake factories copy the packaging perfectly, making it look absolutely identical to the real thing on your screen. But the ingredients inside those fakes are horrific: industrial chemicals, cheap dyes, and unfiltered elements that should never touch human skin. If you accidentally buy one of these fake sticks from a random online seller just to save a few pennies, it can cause severe chemical burns, painful allergic reactions, deep rashes, and stubborn acne pimples all over your beautiful face. You must ask yourself, how did the real product get 96,000 positive reviews? The answer is simple. Those 96,000 people who absolutely loved the results and got that gorgeous, flawless glow only ordered it from the official, certified, and trusted seller directly inside Amazon. They did not trust random third-party links or shady discount websites. They went straight to the official source. If you don't want to take any dangerous risks with your facial skin, and if you want to experience the real, authentic, international quality product directly from the most trusted Amazon warehouse with a massive active discount, you have to be extremely careful about where you click. To protect you from these online scams and counterfeit items, I have gone ahead and located the direct, official, certified original Amazon link and pinned it right below in the description box and in the very first comment of this video. You can click that direct link right now to safely check today's live price, check real customer reviews, and see the active discount offers that are running today before the stock runs out. Investing in your skin is the best thing you can do, but investing wisely is what makes you smart. Why throw away hundreds of dollars on luxury items when a $5 certified product can give you the exact same professional finish? For those wondering about long-term usage, this multi-stick stands the test of time through sweat and long days. It doesn't melt off your face halfway through a busy workday or a hot summer afternoon. Many active users have reported that even after 8 full hours of wear, the gorgeous hue of dazzling peony remains completely intact without cracking into fine lines or dry patches. This is a game changer for mature skin or dry skin types that typically struggle with powder blushes settling into wrinkles. When you factor in the sheer durability, the clean vegan ingredients, and the incredible cost-saving reality of replacing 3 luxury products with one single $5 item, it becomes incredibly clear why nearly 100,000 people have left 5-star ratings. This isn't just cheap drugstore makeup, it is a smart, highly engineered beauty solution designed for the modern world. If you want to protect yourself from fake beauty scams, and if you absolutely love watching honest, real, unfiltered reviews of international beauty and skincare items, then you have found your safe space on the internet. This channel is dedicated to telling you the absolute truth, without any corporate sponsorships or fake promises. Do not let big luxury brands trick you into overpaying anymore. Support this independent channel by hitting that subscribe button right now, smashing the like button, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss another international beauty warning, price drop alert, or skincare emergency update. Go ahead, don't wait for the official Amazon stock to run out. Click the direct official certified Amazon link in the description box or the pinned comment below right now. Check the live discount for your region, and secure your original, authentic product safely today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, stay safe, and let your natural beauty shine through effortlessly. See you all on Thursday for our next deep dive into viral skincare secrets. Goodbye.